So in the process of installing new Oxford heated grips, so here's a quick little hack that you can use to help you get the old glue off. So go ahead and use your sandpaper. I'm using 120 grit. I'm going to go ahead and put that around the edge of the handlebar. Now instead of throwing away your old grip, go ahead and wrap your old grip around the edge. Just use your grip or your old grip to keep turning that sandpaper until you have all the old glue off. It makes it a little bit easier. As you can see, look at how it's starting to come clean. And we've almost got all of it off. I'm going to go ahead and just continue to do that until I work it all off. But just a great way to kind of work off the glue off of your handlebar really quickly so you can get it prepped to install the new grips.